welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today we're working with a new hair company of the name Idefine Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So this is my very first time working with this hair company, and they sent over this pre-highlighted closure wig unit. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. So of course I'm showing you guys the wig cap construction, but for the specs they sent this over in a 16-inch. This is a 5x5 pre-cut lace wig in a wave texture, and it is of 180% density. So you guys know how I feel about fuller density wig units. It did come with this adjustable strap, however it is not removable, but this was new, so I decided to insert it into this wig video today. So I'm just going to go ahead and get right into this wig install. It's very quick, it's put on and go, because again it's pre-styled, you guys. The lace is pre-cut, and all you really have to do is fix it up and frame your face. So I'm just going in per usual with my foundation color to conceal the lace. Now I would say that the lace did come really light, you guys, so you would definitely have to make sure that you tint it and also cut around that closure so that you don't have any like loose pieces or anything like that. And yeah, so as you guys could see, I wanted to make sure that I really showed you guys the color contrast, the highlights of this wig unit. It is brown. I actually thought that this was a black rooted wig with highlights, but it was sent over in a brown rooted color, you guys, chocolate brown. And then of course it goes into this like blonde, honey blondish color. I did think that they did a good job with the highlight placement of this wig unit, because as you guys could see, it's really highlighted up here in the front, as you guys could see. Also, when I was combing through, there's some pieces that wanted to like clump together. So this side that I'm on right now, it really clumped together, but as I flipped it over, it was a little bit more fluffier on I guess the flip over side. So I did try to go in with some oil to see if I can clump it together, and I didn't want to put heat to it because this company did kind of want me to keep the curls and things of that such. So I just kind of went what was already given to me. Normally I would do a flip over wig unit, but they really wanted me to do a part, like show the parting space, but I really wanted this wig to be a flip over, you guys. I really did. I'm not really into the parting space, but this wig does come with a 5x5 closure, so you're definitely able to like fake a frontal look if you want to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, this wig unit does not come like very pre-plucked, so you can go in and pluck this wig unit even more if you want to. I know that some people do not like the over plucked look. Some people like the fuller hairline. Again, it did come with a fuller hairline, so I just kept it as such. Here I am putting the oil in the hair. I would make sure that I link my Amazon storefront for any products that I use in this hair video for you guys, and it's always linked in the description box as well. But that's pretty much it. I only use like a dime size of the hair oil, and I only was doing it to again clump up the hair on the flip over side. But other than that, you guys, this was a very easy, simple hair tutorial. Definitely for the girls who don't want a bunch of glue around their hairline, especially because it's summer. You know, frontals can irritate us during the sweaty months, and it's really hot this summer, you guys, like especially down in the south. So here's the picture video of the hairline. I think that it looks really good. I also did not put any color filter on this hair video so that you guys could see the true color. And that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the length, because you guys know that I'm not really into short lengths, like really short lengths, but this one was a cuter length. But let me know what you guys think. And for monetization purposes, this video has ended, but it will be stretched out to 8 minutes. Bye.